We are at this most sacred place, Damodar Kund, which is situated in the Upper Mustang region of Nepal. Shastrically, this area is known as Damodar Himal. They say that Damodari Ganga flows into this Kund. This Kund is the origin of sacred Kaligandaki river, which has the distinction where Shaligrams, the only place in the world or perhaps in the universe where Shaligrams are found. Gandak means literally cheeks, cheeks of Vishnu, Krishna Gandaki, perspiration that emanated from the cheeks of Vishnu is called Kaligandaki. So this is the origin place of Kaligandaki. Damodar Kund is known as the head of Kaligandaki. Kagbani is known to be the mouth of Kaligandaki. Ruru Kshetra is known to be waste of Kaligandaki. And Devghat, where we had been, is known to be the lotus feet of Kaligandaki. Kaligandaki is in a shape of Vishnu in his lying form. And Kaligandaki becomes Narayani after Devghat and goes further towards Patna in India. So this is the most sacred Damodar Kund. And we have about 50 or 60 devotees who have come with us. You see that temple where many devotees are there. That's a Radha Damodar temple, which has been established just 4 or 5 days back. The Pran Pratishtha for the Radha Damodar deity has just been done 5 days back, and we are just coming there as a part of the same contingent. There's another temple, which is the older one, and I have no idea what that temple is all about. But this is really the entire landscape of Damodar Kund. And this place is only accessible in 2 months of the year, that is mid-June to mid-August. And for the rest of the world, it remains inhabited because it's covered with snow entirely. Haribo.